Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have created this look, which is like, it's a green cut crease. I just wanted to play with colours. Like, I'm starting to get into colours now, and plus it's fall, so I'm merging into like fall colours, but I don't want to keep sticking to my same reds and cranberries, you know. And plus I was just looking at my palettes and I'm just like, I have a lot of colours in these palettes, why don't I use them? And so here is a lime green cut crease with a bit of like a green lip. I put some green pigment in my lip, so it kind of goes with it. I wanted it to match. I have a little bit green up in here, so it kind of goes. It was either red or green today, matching my outfit, but I went with green, and this is the look. It's really fun actually. I'm really getting the hang of using these colours, stepping out of my comfort zone, really throwing myself in there. So this is the look. If you guys want to see how I did this, please continue watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm going to start off by taking the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to use the yellow, which is called Calavera, and I'm going to put that all over just basically where the socket is and on the brow bone. This is my starting colour because I'm layering it up, so I want it to be really gentle. And then taking the green colour, which is called Hatter, and I'm going to put this more into my socket. Because I'm layering up the colours, I want it to go from a lighter yellow to a lighter green to a dark green, so that's what I put on. Then going back in with the yellow shade to blend out any of the edges, to soften out those edges just so it looks much more like smooth and softer. Then taking the Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit the Once palette, this is called Corduroy, so this is like a darker matte green, and I put this just on top and slightly underneath Hatter, which is the lighter green, so we're building up the definition and the depth in the eyes. Then I take my concealer, which is the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer, and I begin to carve out the crease. Now I'm only doing a cut crease, so I only go halfway. I don't take it all the way around, but I just cut it a little bit above where my eye folds, so where it creases. Then back in with Corduroy, which is the darker green, and I shade the outer corners of my eyes. Then back in with Hatter, which is the lighter green, and I blend that through. Then taking this Urban Decay palette, I don't know what it's called, but I take one of the metallic green shades. This is a dark green. It's called Mullet, which is a really weird name for it, but it's a darker green, and I put that on the outer corner. And then I'm going to take the same Emily Edit the Once palette. This is called Grateful, which is a lighter lime green. So it's all about layering up the lighter colours to the darker colours. It's all about the gradient and the layering up, so that's what I've kind of been practicing. So I blend that to the middle just so they meet halfway. Then taking some more of that Corduroy, which is the darker green, and I blend that through on a pencil brush just to give my eyes a little bit more of that cut crease definition. Then on a smudger brush, the same Corduroy colour, which is the darker green, I run that on my lower lash line. And I make sure I put the darker green first, and I run that across my entire lower lash line. Then I take Hatter, which is the lighter green, and I blend that through. So literally everything is about layering darker to lighter, lighter to darker. And I just blend that through on my lower lash line. And the yellow again, so whatever's on the top is always on the bottom for me. So whatever eyeshadows I put up top is usually at the bottom, and I like to blend it out so it's really nice and smooth. Then taking the Barry M Silver Kohl waterproof pencil, and I put that in my waterline, and that just gives me a nice shimmery pop. Then taking the I Heart Revolution Goddess of Love Baked Highlighter, and I put this in the inner corner of my eyes, and I also put it under the arch of my eyebrow. This for me completes the look. It just looks so perfect afterwards. Then the Nada Pinky Goat Lashes. And so this is the final look. It is a lovely lime green eye look. If you want to practice your colours, you can use different colours and kind of replicate it. So this is the look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.